Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we will be talking about the Arc GTK theme. We're going to install the theme pack and talk about how to enable it. This theme in particular is super popular within the Linux community, so if you're using a mainstream distribution like Fedora, OpenSUSE, Debian, or whatever, you know, this theme is in the mainstream repositories. You can just open up your terminal and install it just like a normal program. But if you're using a non-mainstream distribution, one that isn't very popular, you may need to build it from source. We have all the instructions for that in the description. Anyways, to get this installed, and it really depends on your distribution, pretty much just install it and search for it. So for me, I would find it on Fedora, and it would be DNF search Arc theme. And that's the theme. It tells me exactly what it is, and then I can just do sudo dnf-y install Arc theme, enter my password, and let it go. And once that is installed, I can just close my terminal and go to my theme settings. And if you're not using Cinnamon, I'm using Cinnamon because it's just what I use, so we'll be going over how to enable it with that. If you don't use Cinnamon and you use GNOME or another GTK-based desktop, please check the description for the outlines on how to apply this theme to your desktop. But to get started, I'm going to apply mine. So first, for Cinnamon, I'm going to need to change the window borders to the Arc theme. And I prefer the solid version because I don't like the transparent version of this theme. So I'm going to go Arc Darker Solid. And then for controls, I'm going to go Arc Darker Solid again. I think Arc looks better with the white rather than the grayish. And then I just go down to the desktop theme and I find Arc Dark Solid. And that is my theme. And it looks, I'm now using Arc. And I mean, it looks really nice. It even themed my recording window here, but the menus and everything looks really flush. The window buttons are nice. And the menu system on Cinnamon looks to be matching the theme, as well as the menu buttons. The window list down here looks nice as well. Anyways, guys, if you're looking for a nice, easy to install theme for your Linux desktop, please check out Arc. It is very popular for a reason. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.